Okay, today we're going to be talking about uploading files to your team. So if I'm in my team here, I'm going to make sure I'm in the correct channel. Remember, each channel kind of has its own identity. And if I'm in general here, I can toggle over to files. And once I'm in file, I can upload new files. There's something. Or I can download ones that somebody else has already uploaded. So if somebody else had uploaded this, I could download it to my own computer. Okay, now we're going to try something else. We're going to upload my little test document I made earlier. Let's see if I can find it. It's not happy. There it is, test document, thank you. Okay, now I uploaded this. There's a cool feature here that is new to me. So I can select this document that I have made on my own computer, and I can choose to open it in SharePoint. Okay, now what happens here is SharePoint kind of turns your document into a Google Doc that other people can edit. Now what's scary about this is that whatever editing is done in this SharePoint kind of platform will affect the document as it is saved on my computer. So repeat, it does not make a duplicate that is edited. It is going to edit your actual original here. The cool thing about it, however, is that it does run like a Google Doc, and you can have multiple people in here bopping around. So maybe you have an agenda you want people to work on, or you have some other document you want everybody to be working on. You can do it right here with SharePoint. As long as you're okay and you trust that everybody is going to be doing the right thing with this document, anything you do in here, including dictations and editing and inserting stuff, is all going to still exist on my final thing. So I'm going to write some stuff. It's automatically going to save it, which is cool. Yay, I could save a different version if I wanted to. And then if I X out here my little document, now if I go and try to open this document in Word, we'll see that even though we edited in this SharePoint, it's going to have edited it also on my computer, which is cool, but also kind of intense. So you have to be really careful about, why is it doing my roster? Interesting. About what you upload on here, because it's going to change it. Whoever's in there using SharePoint can edit it. Theoretically, it's working. There it is. Okay, so now I opened it, and sure enough, those edits I made in SharePoint are here live saved on my document on Microsoft Word. So that is fantastic in some ways, but you just have to be careful with that functionality as well. This is just like, you can also pin items to the top of this. So if you have a certain one you want to make most important, you can pin it to the top. You can toggle, I think you can even, so it just made that one the most important. I believe you can kind of drag them around. So that is basic adding documents. Again, always make sure you're in the correct channel. So I'm in general here, but maybe you really only should be putting things on the lower school team channel. Make sure you're in the correct channel when you're kind of doing work, because it's always going to kind of default to the general one.